Hey, so how to install TikSave app on iPhone? So just tap Get, and you can see it's one of the top apps right now in the social networking category on US App Store. So the idea is that you can easily repost and share TikTok videos. So yeah, if you just open, you can include notification, and then you can just add video. Open TikTok, copy the link, come back here and add the video. So that's the idea. So yeah, if you go to TikTok,
Baby, tell me how you.
and then tap share, then I guess copy link, and then the video is added, and you can just open it here. You can see all the options here, what you can do, and then you can also see the users. But yeah, basically this is how it works. Then you can just save it and just share it and all of that. So that's how it works.